If you have been looking for a way to organize leads, manage sales pipeline, automate follow-ups, Zoho CRM might be the perfect solution. In this tutorial, I will walk you through Zoho CRM, right? And by step, so you know how to set it up, track details, and deals, send emails, and use automation to save time, all without feeling overwhelmed. By this end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap for using Zoho CRM to grow your business. Let's start with signing up. Just go to Zoho CRM, search over Google, click on this first link, and here you have to sign in into your account. To get started, you can get 15 days free trial, and actually you can extend your trial. That's a benefit of Zoho. And here you can write your name, email, password, phone number, and click on get started. You can also use LinkedIn or Google account to create. For those who don't know what exactly is Zoho CRM, it's a customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses capture leads, nurture relationships, and close deals faster. With Zoho, you get tools for content management, pipeline tracking, email marketing, automation, and reporting all in one system. Instead of bouncing between spreadsheets and multiple apps, you can keep everything organized in a single dashboard, right? So head to Zoho CRM, click on free trial here and click on get started. And this is where you will land up. And this is the entire CRM dashboard. This is how it's going to look like. In your case, it could be empty, so no worries. So the first thing we will set up is a lead. So here on the left side, you will find a lot of option. Here you can see there's a lead option. Right, so on the top menu, click on lead. Here you can manually add new leads. So click on create lead on the top right side corner. And once you click on here, you have to fill up all this information. So you can see here lead owner name, the first name, mobile number, email, and you can just you have to fill up all this information. It's fine, even though if you don't have some of this information, it's okay. Now you can just go and click on save, and if you want to add another, and click on save here. And this is how it's going to look like. So you can see here, these are some of the leads. Let me show you how once you fill up all this information, this is how it's going to look like. So as you can see here, and this is this entire information. Later I can add notes and something related to that specific lead. By the way, guys, if you have already a list of leads, then you can simply import it. So just go and click on action, and here you will find this option of export lead, and here same way you will find this option to import. If you don't find it here, no worries. Click on this drop down icon, click on import leads, and here you have to drop your spreadsheet or CSV file, and automatically Zoho CRM will extract all the leads, and it will add it here in your section. Right, so this is pretty much easy. Now let's move to the contacts and accounts. So here this is contacts, and below that you can see this is accounts. So once the lead is qualified, right, once a lead is qualified, you can convert it into a contract and link it to account which represent the company. This way you can keep individual people and the businesses they belong to organized. Right, now same way, let me take you to here accounts, and here you can see. So if I just go and check out, this is exactly the same business which this person is running up, right? And this is the account owner, this is the person who added all this information. So pretty much easy. Now let's talk about the pipeline. So here below accounts, you will find this option of deals. So deals on the menu to open your sales pipeline. Deals are the opportunities you're working on. You will see stage like prospecting, qualification, proposal, and closed, won, and lost. You can customize these stages to match your own sales process. To add a deal, click on new deal. So you can see here some of these deals which I've added. Let's say it is in the value proposition section, so I will move to the value proposition, and you can see here the value proposition value got changed. Let's say it is in the negotiation, or let's say this deal is won, so I will just move it to these closed, won. And here you can see this, for it will ask me again if I've won a deal, and click on save. And here you can see this is how it's going to work like. Simply you can just go and click on create deal if you want to, and here you can add, fill up all this information, and automatically it will show up in your qualification section. Right, so this is pretty much easy. You can customize the stages as I told you, and you can add a new deal. So as you move closer to closing, just drag and drop the deals through the stages. Emails are another key part of Zoho CRM, which you will find it in the meetings and calls, and I will come to the task later here. So in the meetings, you can connect everything. Connect your Gmail, Outlook, Zoho Mail, accounts under settings. Once connected, every email conversation is automatically linked to the right contract and deal. You can also use templates, schedule messages, emails, and even send mass emails directly from the platform. Just keep all communication in one place. And if you use that, then I will advise you use Zoho email, and that is also free for some period, I think for 1 year, and that's a working email too. And you can also create personal email because the integration and seamlessly it's really good inside the Zoho CRM. It's completely up to you. Now this is a task here. Now let's set up a task and remainder. So remainder is basically meetings, so you can create meetings and you can set it up. That's fine. Now this is called task. So obviously you are not the only person who is working in a team. So you remember your team member is going to help you with it. So here you can create task for every specific things. And let's say you are working on this task, you can move to the deferred. Let's say it is work in progress, and you can move to in progress, and if it is done, then it's great. Move it to the completed and click on mark as a completed. Now this is really good because once you open any lead or deal, and here activities, you can add calls, meeting, task. For example, here you can see here, you can see if I just go and double click on it, right, click on this title, and you can see here all this information is added and you can add it. I'm giving you overall information about Zoho CRM. If you want in depth, then I can make a video, but you have to comment down in the comment box because that video is going to be a super lengthy. So this is pretty cool. These activities show up on your dashboard and calendar, so you never miss a follow up. Right now, something is called automations, and here there are so many options which you can do. For example, you can add products, there's a codes, there's a sales orders, purchase order, and there's a lot of things here, right? You can create invoices directly once the you can directly connect it with your deal, and there's a lot more, right? So you can try Zoho Finance Suite, which automatically it will give you much more options here. But in the CRM, basically, obviously Zoho CRM have much more options, and which is really good. And there's a one more thing, that is our reports and analytics, right? And that is really important thing, because reports and analytics are built in to under the reports section. So you can just go to the forecast, and if you have a report section, then it's great. You will find sales dashboard, conversion dashboard, revenue forecast, and activities summaries. This insight shows you which campaign are working and which deals are getting stuck. Now you can create your own forecast configuration, which you can see here. Let's click on sale, and let's say it's a deal quantity, and here you have to select it. I'll select here amount and the count of deals. Now click on save. Automatically it will just forecast, and that's a really good thing because you can also connect it with the Zoho own ecosystem, like Zoho Books for accounting or Zoho campaigns for email marketing, so your whole business runs smoothly, right? And here's what a typical day with Zoho CRM look like. And in the morning you log in into your dashboard, check today task, review new leads, and move deals forward in the pipeline throughout the day. Emails, calls, and notes are logged in automatically. At the end of the week, you review reports to see your progress and adjust strategies, right? So this was the entire use case of Zoho CRM. And finally, remember, Zoho CRM isn't just for database. It's a system that helps you work smarter. By keeping everything organized and automating routine tasks, you and your team can focus more on building relationship and closing deals. So that's your complete beginner guide to Zoho CRM. And if you want to start managing leads, sales, and automation in one platform, there's a link given in the description. You will get a discount if you want to buy Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe.